How to repost Instagram story. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Now what you want to do is head over to the profile of the person that has mentioned you in their story. Now tap on their story. Well, if they have mentioned you, right here you will get to see the option of add to your story. All you want to do is click on it. Well, now you can edit the story with all the features at the very top. Once you are done editing and adjusting, all you want to do is tap on your story at the bottom left corner and the story will be reposted successfully. Now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to the story of any of the person. Let me head over to the story of this person. Move into the story that you want to repost. Well, you can see you are not tagged in this story, so you won't be able to repost this story directly. But if you really want to repost, what you want to do is take the screenshot of this post and then go back and head over to the story section. Move into your gallery. Select the screenshot that you have just taken. Now just tap on your story at the bottom left corner and then it will be reposted successfully. So that's it, and these are some of the ways in order to repost the story on Instagram. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.